What is the interval for updating data in the navigation database? A. 1 hour. B. 1 month. C. 24 hours. D. 28 days. The correct answer is 28 days. What is the output for the following system? A. Aircraft position. B. All the flight data. C. Gyro and accelerometer values. D. Warning signals for wrong navigation. The correct answer is aircraft position. Which one of the following is not a factor for calculating speed breaches by the FMS? A. Aircraft weight. B. CG position. C. Wind and temperature models. D. Position of the aircraft. The correct answer is position of the aircraft. Both FMS want to get information from only one FMC in the case of A. Independent mode. B. Loss of one FMC. C. Single mode. D. Double mode. The correct answer is single mode. Which one of the following is not a navigation mode used by FMS for computing position of the aircraft? A. Inertial IRS GPS. B. Inertial IRS DME. C. Inertial IRS VOR DME. D. GPS only. The correct answer is GPS only. What filter is used by the FMS to estimate the position of the aircraft from various sensors? A. Kalman filter. B. Position error filter. C. GPS filter. D. Gyro and accelerometer filter. The correct answer is Kalman filter. Navigational functions are no longer available if the INS shuts down in an FMS. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. The standby FMC performs calculations even when both the FMC are fully functional. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false.